A modern minimalist garden embraces clean lines and simplicity. Each design element is intentional, creating a tranquil and uncluttered outdoor space. Neutral colors like gray, white, and black dominate minimalist gardens. These tones create a calm, sophisticated backdrop for plants and outdoor decor. Geometric shapes bring structure and modern elegance to minimalist gardens. Simple forms like squares, circles, and rectangles create visual interest without clutter. Low-maintenance plants like succulents, ornamental grasses, and yucca fit perfectly in minimalist gardens. Their clean, architectural shapes add structure and require minimal care. Gravel and stones replace traditional lawns in minimalist gardens. They create a textured surface that complements sleek design elements. Vertical greenery adds dimension to minimalist gardens without taking up space. Simple green walls or trellises provide a modern, nature-inspired touch. Minimalist water features focus on subtle elegance. A still reflecting pool or sleek water fountain brings movement and tranquility to the garden. Symmetry and balance are key principles in minimalist garden design. Matching planters or evenly spaced elements bring harmony to the space. Minimalist outdoor furniture emphasizes functionality and clean lines. Opt for pieces in neutral colors and modern materials like metal or wood. Large sculptural planters become focal points in minimalist gardens. These pieces add height and texture without overwhelming the space. Subtle, integrated lighting highlights key elements of the garden at night. Use recessed lights or spotlights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. A minimalist garden can be inspired by the simplicity of Zen gardens. Neatly raked gravel and a few well-placed stones evoke a sense of calm and order. Leaving open space in a minimalist garden is just as important as the design elements. This openness creates a sense of calm and invites relaxation. Dark accents, like black planters or charcoal stone walls, create a striking contrast against the green plants and neutral tones of the garden. Incorporating natural materials like wood and stone softens the sharp lines of minimalist design, creating a harmonious blend of modern and organic elements.